Well, thanks for tuning into Staff's Transport. Here we are amongst the beautiful roses at Blythe Bridge railway station. And joining me today after a long week at work is SJ. The gardens here really do look terrific in this late summer period, but we're down here today for a test train. Not sure what it is, but a nice way to end a very busy working week. Here we are, SJ. There goes the tractor as well, SJ. Well, SJ suitably impressed with the HST there, but now it's home to put our feet up after a very busy week. Nice way of finishing the week off there with an HST, SJ. Good night from me and good night from SJ, and we'll hope to see you again very, very soon.